Hello, welcome to a tutorial on playing music from the second edition Piano Adventures Faber series lesson book. This is the primer book, the first book. I'm going to go over the I Like song. If you are learning a different song, I have hopefully recorded it, so just look over in the playlist. This is middle C for me. It doesn't really matter at this point in the book. Right now they want you to put your hands up on the black notes. And we're going to use fingers 2, 3, and 4 in both hands. So I'm going to play it and then I'll break it down a little bit. So I didn't have to move my hands at all. I only use these. I start with my right hand and I follow the finger numbers 2, 3, 4. And notice this note, this black note, the top black note, and my right hand lasts longer. It's because you have just learned about a half note that gets 2 beats or 2 counts instead of 1 count. So this gets 1 count, 1 count, 1, 2. Again, 1, 1, 1, 2. In the next part, it says play 4, 3, and 2. So I play those fingers. 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay, I'm going back and forth between two numbers, which are finger numbers, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, and then how many beats do I play? So don't get those two confused. I would pick one and just stick with that. So if I'm playing finger numbers, at the beginning would go 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and if I'm playing just counting beats, it goes like this. 1, 1, 1, 2 for my half note. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. And then the left hand plays. And you follow the finger numbers. 4, 3, 2. Watch out for those half notes. Make sure that you get to practice counting. That's the most important part, but also still learning your finger numbers. All right, please like and subscribe and share this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun.